In this segment, I will demonstrate a useful tip or trick in an Autodesk software program. For today's tip, we'll be using Revit. A little background. We have a client that is a property management company. This company manages hundreds of buildings across the country. One of the services we're providing for them is modeling several of these buildings in Revit. And they will use these models to provide marketing materials for prospective tenants and to fit out the suites when they're leased, and for other various facilities management requirements. They have existing AutoCAD files for these buildings, so our process of modeling them in Revit involves linking these drawings into a Revit project and basically tracing over them with Revit elements. While doing this, I discovered something that Revit does automatically that I didn't know it could do, so I'll demonstrate. With a drawing set as a background, when you want to add the wall elements in Revit, use the wall centerline location line. When you do, Revit will automatically find the midpoint between two lines in a drawing representing a wall. So all I have to do to place a wall is trace over the drawing. It's almost miraculous. Before I knew Revit could do this, I was always using a finish face location line and actually picking endpoints of lines in the background drawing to trace over. So the center line was never revealed to me. I didn't know it was there. But the way I found out was one time I had the wall center line location line on by mistake, and that's when I saw the center lines, and that's when I discovered this. So you might think, well, what's the difference? I can't come up with an exact instance where finish face is problematic, but what I can tell you is this centerline method, it's so much easier for some reason and much faster. So if you have projects where you need to model from existing AutoCAD drawing files, try this wall centerline location line method of adding walls as your existing conditions for your models. You'll find it very efficient.
Hey everybody, Julius Boomer Luddite here. I've just been promoted to CADD Guy. Hope you enjoyed that video. I've got something here they want me to read. Well, let's see. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share. If you have comments about the video, put them in the comment section below. And if you want to be notified when we upload new videos, don't forget to click on the bell, whatever that means. So check back for more videos on this channel. Thanks again.